Enjoy!
Hello beautiful people, I'm Hui Ping from SPJ Quill. Welcome back to my channel. Well, although I'm not celebrating, but I want to wish my Indian audience a happy Raksha Bandhan.
Raksha Bandhan.
Raksha. So in this video, I'm gonna do a step-by-step tutorial on how to make a Rakhi bracelet. And let's begin! Oh, before we start, press subscribe please. And hit the bell button to be the first to get notified when a new video pops up. If you like this video, hit the like button for encouragement. Thank you! The tools we need for today's tutorial are a corkboard, a quilling coach, a slotted tool, some needles, an optional pole sticker, and glue. For the color scheme, I picked the hue of purple. We're going to need half length of the strips for one flower petal. Roll them through a quilling coach. I previously made a video about the complete introduction of quilling tools. Do check it out by clicking the top right corner link. Glue them together. Put them on a round mold as a guide and slightly release it to let them loosen its shape. When it reaches your desired shape, pinch the bottom and glue them together. Now let's transfer them to the corkboard. Use needle to fix its shape. Then, put glue on the surface. Repeat the steps 5 times to form a flower. When the glue dries, we are ready to assemble them together. To make it look more 3D, place the flower petal tip facing the center of the mold and it naturally tilts up. Now let's quill the leaves. Just simply quill a Marquise cord. If you want to strengthen your basic shapes of quilling, do click on the top right corner link to check out the video. I've included 5 tips and tricks as well. When we are done quilling the parts, now it's time to glue them together. You can make some smaller ones as well, and you can play with the color as well to make it look more interesting. When you're happy with the results, just glue them together. Now, we just need to fix it on the string and we are done! Hope you liked today's video. You can tag me on Instagram to show me your version of artwork. I can't wait to see it. And stay tuned for more tutorial videos. Well, how the happy time flies, now it's time to say goodbye.